Hello everybody. Do you ever wonder what you need to do before you list? It seems like there's so many things that you should do and you kind of get confused. Well, we're here to help you with that. My name is Bill Pazuricki. Beside me is my business partner, Linda Rapino. And we're going to talk about things you need to do before you list. We're just going to give you 3 today. We'll give you some more in some future ones. So the first thing you want to think about is kind of depersonalizing your home. Declutter and depersonalize. So go room to room and get rid of all those things that really don't need to be in there. Try to make that room look big, and depersonalize by taking down personal pictures and items that might distract buyers when they walk through the house. You want them to appreciate the real estate and not be looking at family photos to see who they know.
Second thing would be paint. So paint is a fairly inexpensive investment to make before you list, and it makes a huge difference. So I wouldn't necessarily suggest you paint yourself. Unless you are a tremendous painter, it definitely does show if it's not a very good professional job. So I do recommend a professional. They are, again, not that expensive. So it just, from a colors, you want to try and get colors that are on trends, that are not making a statement about you. So something that's kind of general, and I know it kind of, some people love color, which I do as well, but this is not the time to show your favorite colors. You just want something that is kind of muted, very light, bright, that will help show, again, like Bill said, what you have to offer in your real estate. The other, which might be more expensive of a investment, but I also think is worth it, is a roof. If your roof has issues. So if you have an old roof and it's starting to peel up, or maybe it's leaking a little bit, and you don't mind, you put a bucket here or there and you see a little stain, that is something fine for you to live with. But for a buyer, everybody would appreciate a new roof. It's unlike when someone says, well, I'm not gonna tear my kitchen apart and do it because a buyer has specific tastes that they would like to do. A roof is a roof. Everyone's gonna appreciate a new roof. And if it is something that you don't do, either an inspector is going to point it out, a buyer is going to notice it, and now that cost is going to expand in the buyer's mind, because it's not only a new roof, they have to be home, they have to handle a contractor, take time off of work. It just makes it a larger number in the buyer's head than it would be for you to do on your own.
So those are some 3 quick things that you can do. Again, we're gonna do other videos and have more on there. We also did a video on what not to fix when you go to sell. We'll reference that on the screen. So thank you for staying with us. Please like our Facebook business page. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell so you get notified when more videos come out. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.